Welcome to Magic Moments Kids TV. 5 little penguins sliding on the ice, zooming and spinning, oh so nice. One little penguin slipped, oh no, he wobbled and tumbled and shouted, whoa! Mama Penguin said, no more sliding and slapping on the ice, you know. 4 little penguins sliding on the ice, giggle and wiggle once or twice. One little penguin skated too far, he slipped and bumped into a star. Mama Penguin said, no more sliding on the ice, you are. 3 little penguins sliding on the ice, round and round, it felt so nice. One little penguin spun too fast, he twirled and twirled till he fell at last. Mama Penguin said, no more sliding on the ice so fast. 2 little penguins sliding on the ice, they sang and danced, oh, what a sight! One little penguin gave a cheer, then whoops, slipped on his rear. Mama Penguin said, no more sliding, my dears, no fear. One little penguin sliding all alone, he missed his friends and gave a moan. He flapped his wings and called out, hey, come back, friends, let's slide and play. Mama Penguin smiled,